Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to correct your video to mirror your clips. First, you need to click the clips and then go to this icon. And then click mirror. Then, as you can see, it is now corrected the position of clips. If you are recorded in your phone front camera of your phone, then this is the same thing happened to you. So now we will proceed to CapCut Mobile application. First, you also need to click the clips, and then go to the right side. Then look for transform like this, then click mirror, So that's it guys, it's very easy to mirror your clips, or correct the position of your clips, just by mirroring the mirroring transformation, okay? Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like my video.